We're about to perform an experiment of Charles's law, which is the volume versus temperature relationship for gases. We will be operating at a constant pressure of atmospheric pressure. We will have a constant amount of gas, which is the amount of gas that fills the flask. We will give you data for 4 different flasks: 125 milliliter flask, a 250 milliliter flask, a 500 milliliter flask, and a 1000 milliliter flask. We will take the 125 milliliter flask and place it in a boiling water bath. We will wait for a few minutes so that the gas inside the flask reaches the same temperature as the boiling water bath. The gas inside the flask, which is air, will expand as it's heated. When the air inside the flask comes up to the same temperature as the boiling water bath, there will be just enough air in the flask to fill the flask at the boiling